Hello friends, welcome back to Trishanish Handmade. Today I am going to make a mini tote bag using single fabric. I have taken the fabric with measurement 20 by 8.5 and two handle pieces with measurement 13 by 1 inch. First we need to stitch the open sides where we are going to attach the handle. Please double fold the fabric and stitch to avoid the threads coming out. Now fold the fabric and mark the midpoint widthwise. Measure 4 cm from the midpoint on both the sides. Attach the handle pieces on the marked points with the help of beaded pins. Repeat the same for other end too and stitch the handles. After attaching the handles, fold the fabric and stitch the unjoined sides. Mark 4 by 4 cm square in the bottom on both the sides and cut the square shape. Fold the cut portion in T shape and secure it with beaded pins and stitch the folded part. Turn the bag right side out. Now the mini and cute tote bag is ready. We can use it to keep the small books. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends.